everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this cute desk organiser that was sent to me from ArtMe. The desk organiser is made of a sturdy mesh metal with a solid metal base. It has 7 compartments, including a pull-out drawer. The compartments come in different sizes, making it easy to store a variety of stationery. It's also great for organising makeup and small household items. Overall, the desk organiser is a stylish and practical way to keep your craft area tidy. Its compact design and handy compartments make it great for staying organised. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!